Hey y'all, I'm back. Yes, it's me, and it's another haul. This is Lavish Maintenance. Let's get into it. We at Ulta Beauty today. Okay, now let's see what we got. This is for the kid. Okay, gotta keep them lips right. Got me some gel polish remover. Just want to try this out. Got some gel polish designing brushes for the nails. Okay. Did I tell y'all I'm doing my own nails now? Girl. Tutorial coming. Good molecule squalane oil. Yes, I like to add this to stuff. This is how it looks out of the box. It's very small. I use this to add to other products like moisturizer or serums. Yes. Now, girl, you know I had to go get another color in this concealer. Did you see my first reaction to this concealer? Girl, the link is in the description. Okay, click on it and go. So I had to go get another color, honey, because this concealer is everything. So I went and got me a lighter color, like a highlight shade, to put up under the eyes and on the bridge of my nose. Yes, look at it. Girl, look. Girl, do you see that? Now it's a little olivey, but whatever. Girl, I got the Fenty Icon, the Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Now, did you see my first impression of this? The link is in the bio. Girl, look at this packaging. Girl, if y'all can't tell me Rihanna don't got the plug. Rihanna got the plug on the packaging. Look at the evidence. Look at Girl, you gotta watch my review though to see what I talk about this lipstick, girl. All I gotta say is look at the evidence. Child. Girl, go look at that video so you can see how this look on me. Cute. Go see, girl. Go look, go look, go look. Hurry up and come back to this video. Go, girl, go. Get into the details of the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. I ain't gonna lie. And that was it, y'all. That's all I got. Okay, go watch those reviews, honey, and tell me what y'all think. Now, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one.